Hello everyone, and to you Luisa Medina, thinking about our last project and honestly feel that our collaboration went quite well, but there were some tendencies we could definitely improve. For example, we started planning a bit late, and that might it hard to coordinate our schedules. If we had created a timeline from the very beginning, it would have helped us divide the tasks more cleanly and about our reactions. And the end schedule I really like how everyone was engaged and tried to spark the group. What about you? How did you feel about our time work?
Yeah, I totally agree, Vanessa Spitia. Time organization was a big challenge for us, especially since everyone had different responsibilities outside the class. I think we did well when it came to communication because even if we couldn't meet often, we always answered messages and shared updates. But maybe next time we could assign a specific deadlines for each stage of the project that would make everything more efficient and less stressful for everyone involved.
That's true, Luisa Medina. I also thinking that the way we handle the presentation slide work really well to everyone and then their parts clearly and the final design look good. But when it came the event end, the final version, I ended up doing a bit too much of that park. It wasn't a problem, but it made me realize how important it is to share responsibilities equally. Maybe next I we can rotate roles like one person identifies another check the grammar and someone else review the visuals.
Yes, that's a good idea. I think that kind of rotation would help us learn different skills too. Something I noticed was that you were very patient during our group calls, especially when the internet connection was bad or someone couldn't join. That made the process smoother. And honestly, what worked best was the positive attitude. We all had nobody complain, and that helped us stay focused and finish on time.
Thanks, Luisa. I felt me saying word always encouraging and kept reminding us about the small details that could improve the final result. For instance, where you subjected using more visual instead of the match text that made our presentation more dynamic and interesting. So even though there were small tending to fix in our organization, I tended our teamwork was really respectful and balanced overall.
Yeah, exactly. Every project teaches us something new, and I feel this one helped us realize how important it is to plan early, send the lines, and communicate openly. And if we that in mind for the next assignment, and I'm sure it'll be even smoother. And it's nice to see how we're learning to collaborate better each time.
Totally agree to work is always a process, but gear getting better at it. I think the most important part is that we listen to each other and stay flexible. That's what really makes collaboration work. Thanks, Luisa. It's been great working with you again. Goodbye.
Same here, Vanessa Spitia. I really appreciate how we support each other and keep improving as a team. And I'm sure our next project will go even better.